Every blank inch of DTF film is money you already spent. Most shops waste 20 to 30% of every sheet, not from bad prints, from bad layout tools. A gang sheet is not a design file. It is a production layout. Multiple designs, one film, one press run. Every millimeter has to earn its place on that sheet. General tools cannot do that calculation. Photoshop, Illustrator, Canva. They make things look great, but they cannot auto-nest your artwork. They do not understand film margins. They cannot tell you what you are about to waste. So you drag, drop, and guess, and you pay for every gap. That is what the PrintXpand's DTF Gang Sheet Builder fixes. Upload your designs, set your quantities, and auto-nesting takes over. It finds the tightest layout, places every design with the right margins, and gives you a live preview before anything touches film. With auto-nesting doing the work, our clients typically land 14 to 18 transfers on a single 24-inch sheet. No guessing, no wasted film, just a layout built to produce. Pricing is calculated per sheet, not per design, so your margins match your actual film cost. Your customers get 3 steps. Upload artwork, set quantities, get a print-ready gang sheet built right on your website. The builder handles the nesting, the margins, and the output. They just approve and print. That is the PrintXpand's DTF Gang Sheet Builder. Purpose-made for production. Cloud or on-premise. Built by the team behind 350-plus print businesses across 40-plus countries. Ready to see what it does for your shop? Book a personalized demo today.